Abejaba batungire bihandiko byabo ebirumu certificates, diploma, degree hamwe na masters mu mashomo gatari gamwe na gamwe.
The Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development is a ministry, we call it a people's ministry, because in our mandate we take care of matters children, we take care of matters family, and by family we are looking at the parents who are here today, matters youth, women and men, gender, labor, workers, issues, and we hope that the graduates today are going to graduate into being workers in their own right.
Our cultural heritage is the foundation upon which we build our lives, our communities, and our nations. It is the thread that weaves together our past, present, and future. However, as we celebrate our country heritage, we must also acknowledge the rapid changes brought about by modernity and technological advancements. The world is changing at an unprecedented pace, and we must adapt and innovate to make relevant.
Ku kanari mugabe waba Masaba muri Bugisu kandi birajwe kireza Kingdom Zone ashoboreye kuba ari kuza kongera kwatanisa n'itendekereri.
I be committed to work tirelessly to ensure that Uganda University continue to survive and provide quality education to its students. I am excited about the prospects of this institution and its potential to shape the minds and the future of our young generation.
Birariyo mugambi w'izoba retired General Kale Kihura ahigira amatendekero gahigura kutendeka ibintu birukanga hwe mirimo.
And then the challenge of the program that the government offered. The president number of times have identified areas where there is employment, agriculture, manufacturing, services, and some of you will end up obviously into the public service, including the army, the police. I remember when I was there, both in the army and the police used to recruit from university. Because both the army and the police need almost all the disciplines that you have graduated in.
There's partition of Africa, fragmentation of Africa. This fragmentation has weakened us as a continent. Now we're trying to come together in small communities like the East African community. We began as 3 countries, now we are 7 countries. Hopefully Ethiopia will join, DRC, Somalia, all these countries want to join because we see the value of being united and having peace. In a year or two, we will be going into elections. Let's not joke with the opportunity to have as a youth. Some of you are young and never voted. Some of you are going to vote for the second time. Think about what you do and your actions, because that decision you make is important.
Bamwe mbajire nabo basimirira hanga ahabo buhanguzo bakireho kandi bayongera no kusima bazire babo abo kubakwateraho.
Rizoba nanishemerwa okuhezo kushoma najwe kwa bachelor's degree in primary education. Enda kudedicate ngobo obusingizo amchara wanje nabana abasekurara kwe munywe nkashoma. N'umuzero wanje n'abazero banje bombi abanderera umusinje gwo kushoma.
Nashemerera kuba natungera izoba na nizima hanga kuba nikahizoba ronjenkeri nimpura amashemerera mingi ni nyebaza my mother Director Jova Byarugaba ahabo bushaje kibwampire ni shemerera mnonga ni mwe mwebaza sima muzira wanje ayimsigwe Felix no mukazi we kwengo na hikayizobera inshemerire abana batakagire kushoma it's not too late tugenda tuze kushoma no kurungi
Icyo mwana wanje kuzwara for sure I'm extraordinarily happy akwa n'ekintu cyo muhendo n'ekintu cy'umunonga n'ensima mwana wanje